guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to learn the basics of learning how to do a chain stitch. So I've gone ahead and changed to a bulkier weight yarn just for the video purposes. Now with learning to do a slip knot. So first thing is this is how I do it, is I just take my yarn and I make a little, I just take it and take the end over my yarn that's still attached to the skein, a little crossover like this. Then I'm going to take the working end yarn here. So I'm going to take this yarn and I'm going to make another little loop and I'm going to hold it like this. And then I'm going to pull this tight. So now we have a slip knot. And this is what your slip knot will look like. So now I'm going to take my yarn and I have placed that inside of the hole that I just made with my slip knot. Do what's called a chain stitch. And so how to do that is I'm going to take my yarn and I'm going to take it and I'm going to go over my hook. And to do that, we are just going to take the yarn, go over, and then I'm going to pull through this yarn right here, this loop. Okay? So I'm just going to take that, I'm going to hold it, and I'm going to pull through. And that's your first chain. And so we're just going to continue to work on doing that. And you can hold here onto the yarn that's on your hook. And we're going to do that again. So we're going to take this yarn and yarn over, and then we're going to pull that through the loop on our hook and go like that. So we're just going to try that again. Yarn over, and we're going to pull that through, and yarn over, and pull through. And you're just going to keep practicing this until you feel that you're comfortable with doing a chain stitch. And so I'm just going to do a couple more here. And then so when you're done, your chain stitches will look like this. Have a chain stitch that looks like that. And you just want to keep practicing that until you feel comfortable. And then we'll go ahead and move on to the next video.